E. How are you? Welcome to a short little video. As I announced once in a short little video again, I wanted to record some videos, and this is one of them. Station to Station, a cute little game, a pixelated game. Mainly, you have to build. I lower that a bit more. It's a bit loud for my own man. So basically, you have to connect stations. Basically, you have to build stations, railroads, and that's about it. In a nice little cute railroad style. I really like it. Right, let's get into it. I've already played the first area to get into it, but we're starting from the beginning. And you can see we have goals that we have to complete. So, for example, complete all 11 buildings. And I really like it. So this is kind of like the tutorial. Do E. And out. Here we have a wheat farm, for example. Here we have a windmill. And I like that it's all like in the gray-ish kind of style. And if we click on here, we have our little station. We can drop it down and put another one down right here. So this one produces wheat. This one needs wheat. No, this one produces wheat. This one needs wheat. There we go. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna connect these two up, and now we can see that these are connected and delivering the trains to it, or the freight to it. And I like how once you connected it, it's turning, like, color is coming back. Also, once we finished a section, as you can see, this one progressed, and we got a new button down here, which opened up some more factories. And here you can see like a little tiny pixelated locomotive chugging along the small train track, transporting out the wheat to the mill. It's really cute. It is really cute. So this one is now complete. Now we have this one, which needs... This one produces wheat again, and this one needs it. Same with up here. So technically we do the same. Plunk one down here. So I'm gonna move this one over here actually. Plunk one down here. Same with down here. One down here. One over here. And just like before, we're gonna connect these up. And we're gonna get money for it. And off we go. See, there's the button. We can just click on it and we get new factories again. And you see instantly new trains being set onto the train tracks, chugging along left and right towards it. One here and one here. Now we can connect it. But now we have a bridge. So technically on this you need to build a bridge, or if you go over like this kind of stuff you need a bridge. Bridges are expensive, so we can move it. So now we have a bridge and we spent less money. And yet again, everything is getting more color, more beautiful. Also, there's a little doggo that you can pet, which is kind of cute. And now over here we have the dairy farm and a cheesery. So this one produces milk, this one needs milk. So what we can do here, which is also really neat, we just build stations as usual. But now we connect this one up. This one does not transport anything because obviously the dairy is not transporting milk to it, so this locomotive is just driving on its own. But once we connect these ones up, you see, it's transporting milk to this and this. We're getting money for both, and we get a stack bonus for it. And you see, now this train is transporting 2 times milk because it's transporting these 2 milk to here, and one of these milks getting further transported by this one to this one. It's really cool and really cute. I really love the pixel style to it. It really adds something in my opinion. It looks really cool and really cute. Not just the fact that I'm really into trains. Right, but this is the first level. So now we actually finished the first level and we can move over to the next one. And you see, the goal is complete. So we got this one done. Now we can move over to the second one. And there's a different challenge in this one now. So for example, here we have a star challenge plus the normal goal. Create long railroads with a combined length of over 2,200 meters. So technically in this one, we have to build railroads with a total length of at least 2.2 kilometers. Here we have a new factory now, which is a bakery. And the bakery takes the flour from the mill, which is being where the wheat from the wheat farm is being produced. So technically, another production line is being added. So what we're gonna do, we just plonk our factories down again. And now what we can do is start building from here all the way down here. Obviously this is not gonna transport. But once I'm gonna do this, this one's being transported there, this one's being transported there, and we have a stack bonus again. This is how we actually get extra money. Pretty simple. So since these ones are fully satisfied, the production has a tick on it. Here the production and the needs have a tick on it, but here only the needs have a tick on it and the production doesn't. That's why this one is not producing any, like it's not making the countryside more green and more colorful. Because now we have bread, and cities actually take the bread. They take bread, milk, cheese, fish. It depends on the area you're in. But for example, this one eats bread, cheese, milk, and fish. So technically what we can do, we can have a station right about here, have a station around here, and then we just build it all the way down here. Obviously this one is not transporting anything, but now we can just go right here, and from here the bread is being transported over there, and the fish from over here is being transported over there. So bread goes from here to here, and then this train is picking up the fish from the fishing dock and the bread and brings it to the city. And you see now the city is level 3. It increased because we're transporting 2 times goods now. And it starts leveling up the more we actually transport it. So now we have milk and cheese. So pretty simple. Just plop it down again. Just like this. Connect it up. Wait, not yet. Connect this one up. Then connect this one up. And now we have milk being transported to here and to here. Same with the cheese. And we get a giant bonus for it. So we have a new one. It's basically the same. Wheat, the mill, and the bakery. And as long as the factory kind of thing is inside that bubble of the station, you see it connect. That means we actually delivering stuff to it. And you can see where new factories are by these, like, building under construction. This one is the city. This one is the cheesery. So you can actually see what's being built where. Oh, there's a horse. Oh, it's a Mustang. So you see, now we have fishery, city, everything we need. Let me just build all this. So what I could technically do right now is move this one to like this, then have this one move all the way down here. Have this one go all the way down here as well. I'm gonna connect this one up. It's gonna transport the milk. And we got this one. And now we have 4 items being instantly transported. And you see, instantly from level 1 to level 5. And now you see the train is actually really long. Also, I did not get the extra challenge. I can still fix this by just building some extra track, for example, like going to here. Doing a bit of zigzag, just for the funsies. Obviously, these ones are not transporting anything, but is there anywhere else we can? Oh yeah, maybe I can go all the way down here. And you see, now we have 2,230 meters. And we got it done. Next up, level 3. Fun challenge. Finish the level with a lot of money left. Personal best 630. That's what I did before. Plus, we need to have 2,000 meters of track. Meters of railroad. So that's gonna be interesting. We have the wheat farm over here, and the mill up here. And we have a dairy farm over here, so we can transport from here to there, down there. That's here. There's the bakery, so we can literally have a station right here, and connect this up already. That's that. Now we have the bakery. Just plonk it down right here. Connect it up. Get new ones. So now we have the dairy here. And the cheesery all the way down here. So what we can do is we place a track here. Build this all the way to up here. And now we build it from up here down here. And now this one's getting all the stuff that is needed from up here, because this train is bringing the milk to here, this train is bringing the milk to here, this one's bringing the milk to here, and so on and so forth. Now we have the fish here and the city. So what we can do now to have a fat stack, for example, place a station here and a station over here in the middle of nowhere. Connect up the this one with this. And now if I connect this one up, you see all the stuff being transported directly to the city. And we get a really big stack bonus. So basically what is happening now, this one's transporting the milk to here. This one also, well, technically 2 milk. This one's transporting 2 milk and 1 flour down here, while it's also transporting 1 wheat to up here. And this one's transporting bread and 2 times milk to here. This station's transporting 2 times milk and bread down here. While this one is transporting the empty bread cars and cheese cars plus milk to here. And then this train transports everything, bread, cheese, milk, and fish to the sea. And now we have the exact same thing. Look at the city here. We can have a station right here. Station here. I want to have a station right here. Right here. Up here. And over here. So now I need to check. This is the wheat, so wheat and dairy can be connected already. This one needs to go up there, so I cannot connect these, but I can connect this one. This one is the cheesery and the flour, so I can connect this one. And I can connect this one to down here already. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and... it's already connecting the fish then. How much is it going to be if I... Okay, I'm going to connect this. To get a good bonus here. And I'm just gonna connect this up, and we have way more. And there we go. There it is complete. Everything's green, everything's looking nice. I love that they actually like cut out the tracks here, which is really cute. And that's that level. Right, I think... yeah, that was that one. That was... now we have 2 more levels left. It's gonna be a 30 minutes video, isn't it? And I wanted to do 15. 50 is not enough, actually. That's why I love streaming. What do we have here? So now we have 2 stations, 2 things here, so we can actually put station right here. We can put this one right there. And can go right over here, because in this one we are not allowed to build any bridges. So we have to be a bit careful on how do we build things. So we really have to go and see that we are not connecting any type of bridge. What's that? That's a flower. And now I can just go down here. All the way around here. To up here. And done. And now these are all connected. Now we can go to the next ones. There's the city, there's another city. Fishery, fishery. Right. Have a station that goes here. Fishery that goes here. And another city that goes right here. I should have not built it that way. Was my mistake. But we can still build like this way. And then go into it. And of course I fucked it up. Because I was too close to that track. Now I fucked it up. Now I have to build a bridge to get there. If I can even build a bridge. That even works somehow. Not even working. Yeah, I completely fucked that one up. Because I completely messed it up. Right, so keep in mind to build it on the right side. There you go, I have this one there and have this one over here. Okay, so now I have to actually go this way. It's not even letting me do it otherwise. I can go to this one. There we go. And now we have this one over here that goes up there. There we go. Next up, we have these ones again. And this time I'm doing it the right way. I'm gonna place this one here. This one here again. I'm gonna connect this one down there. Then I'm going to have this one actually go all the way down here, connect to this one. Well, this one goes all the way over here and connect that one up. And now we can still connect these ones up here to this one and they transport still. Or they still transport, not they transport still. That was bad English. There we go. Level 3. Level 3. And we got the next ones unlocked. Spoink. Boink. Badoink. And badoink. I'll just go from here to over there. Connect this up right there. Connect this one to down here. And now I connect this one all the way to up here. And that is everything done. All industries connected. Everything is done. And we got both challenges. Not that the dog is running around there. It's so cute. Right, that was level 4. Now we have level 5, which is the last one. And then we're gonna... Then we are in the next area. Cards. Cards is also a new thing. So now I can place stations right here. And now I can start this card. Enable it consumes the card the next time rails are upgraded. I consume this. And now railroads are way cheaper, as you can see. It's only 72 instead of when I'm not using it is 145. Just because of that card, they're way cheaper. And we get new ones the same way we get new buildings. Cheaper bridges. That's definitely going to be used for this one. Has to be. Because there's no other way down. Meaning, we activate this and start building a train down here. You see, without it would be 63 for the bridge. Now it's just 21. Which is really helpful. Okay, where do we have the next one? And the next cards. Oh, that's a lot. First of all, station here. Then we have flour. Another wheat farm. Put one here. Put one over here. Oh shit, they're expensive. Never mind. We build down here. Or not. Hang on. I'm not gonna use this one then. See, now you have to figure out what would be good to get the money. So now we need flour and wheat, meaning we can go here and here, have cheaper rails, and connect this one up. And now we get money again. Now we have the milk farm. There's a bakery down there. So now what we can do is click on this one. Have cheaper rails going all the way to here. And cheaper rails going all the way down to the city. And I could have gotten a bonus if I wouldn't have been so stupid. So now we just need the cheesery. Let me think. Actually, you can put it this way. That we have it connected. First of all, connect. Have the cheaper bridges. I mean, could you do something? Cheaper bridges going up here, and cheaper rails going over here. Now we just connect this one up and this one up. And then we just connect it to this, and we have everything connected here, and we get a nice stack bonus. I'm not an engineer, so I don't know how to build it like really nicely. And now I've goofed. I'm gonna have to go like this. Then can I have both? Actually, can I have both? Nice. and a new building. Now we have the fishery and the city. And what I really like is, first of all, the city is right here. It's a different type of city. It's now a desert city. And what I really like about this is the next area is actually a desert. But now we connected everything up. We get a really big stack bonus right here. And this is how I build it. But yeah, we were in the green hill. And now, once we finish this, I love how the station is just in front of the church. Boom, both challenges finished. And now, since we finished here and you saw that there's a desert, we're moving over to the desert part. But this is going to be in a different video. This is going to be yeah, in the next video. For now, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I wanted to have it 15 minutes, now it's 31 minutes. I'm gonna chop it down probably a bit. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.